Here's the truth, friends. Your brain is always changing, and every choice you make is shaping tomorrow's version of you. So the question becomes, what version of you would you like to see show up in your life? I think we need to talk about it. Welcome to the conversation. I am extraordinaire.
Tonight's episode is brought to you by our producer, Larry Moten, who create journals to help you heal.
So that's why I created Broken to Healing, so you can take back the pen and start writing and shaping your own story.
Broken to Healing, it's not just about writing pages, it's about practicing, and that's where real change starts. Broken to Healing is now available on Amazon. Order your journal today.
The mind is constantly rewiring itself. Neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity. And neuroplasticity simply explains that the mind has the ability to adapt, reshape, and grow. And is constantly doing these three things all the time. And it doesn't happen in a lab, friends. It happens every day of your life. And the good news is that it doesn't discriminate. It doesn't care about how old you are, what sex you are, or where you live. According to neuroscience, we have the ability to adapt, reshape, and grow at any age of our life. Now, I know it's been often said that you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Maybe that might apply to a dog, but it doesn't apply to you. So, wherever you are in life, you have the ability to make a choice, a definitive choice of the person you choose to be. Who would you like to be? What would you like to become? You have the possibility to become that person. So here's the invitation. Don't wait for a crisis to rewire your brain. The way you wake up, the way you speak to yourself when no one is watching. Neuroscience proves your brain is always listening. What version of you do you want to see show up?
Enjoying the show? Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
And I know when we hear words like purpose, passion, destiny, they are sound good words, but the process of getting to purpose, the process of getting to passion, the process of getting to your destiny, it's the thing you do when no one is watching. It's the time you fell down when you was riding your bike, but you kept going. It's the struggle. It's the storm. It's those moments that no one ever see. People get to watch the finished product and they say, wow, that guy is awesome. You know the many times that you showed up when you didn't feel like showing up because you were driven to get to your destiny. You are driven to get to your purpose. And your purpose, the more you did it, it turned into your passion. And this is precisely why I am on here today. What version of you do you want to see show up?
Want more? Start with Speak Life, the app that's comforting souls 24/7 on Gumroad. Then dive deeper with the journals that started the movement. Broken to Healing, from silent pain to self-compassion. The Power of Attraction, My Noble Space, Yours Journal, exclusively for You Journal. All journals available on Amazon, because breakthrough isn't optional, it's overdue.
Thank you for tuning into the conversation. Thank you for your support. Now, please subscribe. Thank you.